Okay, so here you can see this OD. O, that is the O point and that is the D point. Okay, OD equals to under root of R square minus L by 2 is whole square. This equation, where to find? How to find it? Simple. That is our, just a minute, we have to use line, sketch. That is our right angle triangle. You can see here. Okay, that is our right angle triangle. We use the Pythagoras theorem. How it is used? Simple. That is our 90-degree angle. The OT1. OT1. Here is, what is OT1? OT1 equals to, that is our hypotenuse square using the Pythagoras theorem. OT1 equals to T1D means T1D square. Okay, and that is OD square, that is our base, plus OD square. Okay, so here you can see this OT1 equals to R square. Okay, T1 equals to T1D. Okay, now in the previous slide we can see the distance between T1 to T2 is denoted by capital L. Sorry, we use the pen. Capital L. Okay, so if total distance T to T1 is denoted by L, so then T1 to D is L by 2. Okay, simple, half of this chord. Okay, so T1D is L by 2 whole square plus OD square. So from this equation, we find out OD equals to VR square subtracted by L by 2 whole square, and this OD square over the under root square. This equation we find. Okay, you can see we find this equation. Clear, everyone? I think this is clear to everyone. Okay, now if we find, now it is clear. If we find, okay, if we find this OD value, okay, now come to the, what is our aim? We have to find the value of OX. Yes, similarly O node. Okay, O0. So even how we find out the value of OCD? Okay, so O net value, simple, this total value, we use the another color. Simple. Here, this is OC. OC. Okay, this one is OD. Okay, when we have to value of OD, we have the value of OD, you can see in this. Okay, that is the value of OD. Okay, so simple, what we have to do, if we find out the value of CD, simple we have to subtract CO means OC, that is capital R, minus OD, that is value of this. Okay, so simple O dash value, we have to clear this drawing. Then simple CD value is R minus OD. Okay, from this length. Okay, so now we have value of OD. Simply R minus, put this value from equation first. Okay, from equation first. We have to name this equation first. Okay, put this value of OD in this equation and then we find the value of CD, that is denoted by CD, that is denoted by O node, that is O node. Okay, O node equal to CD, and CD how can find out? OC minus OD, that is OC denoted by R minus OD. Means how can we find this? This is the simple way to, you can see this. See here. Okay, so this is the, we find out the value of OC, which helps to find the value in OX. Okay, now come to the next slide. We have to clean this all drawing and this annotation also. I think this equations is not much more difficult to find out, but we have to focus on this topic. Okay, in order to, okay, now come to the next slide. In order to calculate the ordinates of OX to any point E, okay, we have to clear that any point E, draw the line EE1 parallel to the long chord T12, join EO to cut the long chord in G. See, what is the meaning of this sentence? Simple. We go through that. Simple. We go through the this diagram. Okay. From this diagram, you can see what is right there. In order to calculate the ordinate OX, okay, what is the OX coordinate? That is EF. We use the highlighter. Okay, EF is the ordinate, that is OX. Clear? Okay, then OX, which is denoted by EF. Okay, to any point E, to any point E, draw the line EE1. EE1, that is point E, that is point E, and that point is EE1. Okay, parallel to the long chord T12, means that is T12, line drawing parallel to this line is EE1. Okay, join the cut long chord in G, means point E joined with O, and this OE line cut this long chord from G point. You can see this. This TT1 line cut point is G. I think this is clear to everyone. Okay. So simple OX denote equals to EF. Okay. Equals to even 0, even by D, means from, we use this line EF is parallel to this line. Okay, means this OX distance is parallel to O node distance. Clear? Okay, now come to the next slide, the previous slide which have been discussing. Okay, so simple Okay. So from previous diagram, OX equal to EF, E1 D and E1 D minus DO. Okay. E1 D minus DO. E1 D minus DO. Okay. So now come to the same slide. From up, you can see this. There is a right angle triangle. E1 and O. Okay. This E1 and O is right angle triangle, which is used to solve and find out the equation. Okay. Simple, we use the Pythagoras theorem. Simple use. How can you use? EO whole square equals to EE1 square plus E1O whole square. Okay. So you can see this. OX value, when we put the value of EE1 means that value, then what is this? OX equal to, from this equation, E10. E1, we find the value of E10 from this equation. Okay. E10 equals to EO0 minus EE1 square minus what is next is DO. D is O simple सा R minus O नोट हो जाएगा. Okay. So simple OX equal to, we solve this equation and put the value of EO0 whole square is R and simple E1, that is our distance is X. In this diagram you can see this. That distance is X. Okay. E1, that is distance is X. Okay. So simple. All these, after putting all these value, we find the OX ordinate for this equation. Okay. I think this is clear to everyone. That is the simple setting out method for finding the simple linear curve. Okay. Thank you everyone.